full charge, full charge battery. I mean, I'll hold butt real quick for all y'all. Right here for me. I'm just trying not to go too fast. There you go. Right there, see it's in the water. Just y'all on the way back. Uh-oh, it's spinning out. Uh-oh. Look at that. I gotta get some new tires soon. Ooh. Oh, there you go. So if y'all don't think it's not durable, oh. Dang it. When the tires are slick, it's kind of hard to drive. Alright. I guess it's a nice driving sesh. Alright, now I'm recording a little lower. I'm not going too fast, you know, because if you're watching, this is my second thing. I think the motor just burned out too. It's all muddy. Let's see. Yeah, the motor's burnt out. Yep. Nice. I'm gonna clean it real quick before I take it to the hobby store. See right there, freshen it up. You know, I'm just cleaning it. You can clean it with anything, but clean it with Clorox wipes also makes it smell good. So it doesn't smell like, you know, mud or something. I'm gonna have to get a new body soon though. This thing's been very crushed, you know, lots of action has been just demolished on this thing. Just do a real quick clean. You don't want to, if you're gonna take it to the hobby store, you know, I'm not gonna clean it really good, but you know, I'm gonna make it at least so you can see that it's normally white. Right there, you gotta clean the front base. Right here. I clean the front base right here. You just wipe it. Clean the other side. Just a small cleaning right here. Nothing too major. And there you go. You know, don't really have to clean the wheels, but there you go. Brand spanking new, or not really brand spanking new, but you know, a fresher version of the Traxxas Rustler. And this is what it looks like on the bottom for all y'all. Aftermarket shocks. Alright. See you later. What's up, my fellow poop sniffers? If you're watching this, if you see my motor, I'm about to go replace my motor at the local hobby store I have, like literally like about a mile away. So yeah. It burnt out. That's the only flaw about electric cars really, is that the motor burns out. They're like $20, $25 I think, but you know, it's time to get replaced anyway. I haven't driven in a long time, so that's probably a key factor too. So yeah, let's go. Right here. Alright, let's go.